On today's video, I'm going to show you a website that will provide you thousands of freelancing job opportunities that you can do from home. Most of these jobs don't require skills. Some of them you can do it in your own language, so you are not required to speak English. You can get a job that will fit your profile no matter your skills level. So make sure you keep on watching till the end of this video so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. As you can see here, we're going to be talking about this website, oneformer.com. Oneformer.com is a platform that offers a lot of job opportunities that you can do from home. The website is based in the United States, but it is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can find jobs on this website to apply. Once you apply and then get employed, you are going to work with the project owner. Once you complete your project, you are going to be paid by this website. There are a lot of categories of jobs that you can do on this website. It doesn't matter your interest. So whatever job that you are interested in, you can find one on this website and you are still going to be making money. So when you come here, you can see these are the categories of jobs that you can do. You can see translation jobs, transcription jobs, internet jargon. We have full-time jobs. We also have data labeling, data collection, and we have annotations. We also have careers. So there are other jobs opportunities that you can find on this website. So for example, when I click on full-time jobs, you can see this one right here. This is a job that you can apply and get employed. You can see regional content reviewer in Germany. So you can do it from wherever you are in the world. You can see anywhere. So wherever you are located, you can apply for this job. You can see another one here. This one is for people in Atlanta. You can see the next one is project moderator. This one is Redmond, Washington. That is for people in the United States. You can see another one here, people in Serbia. You can see another one here. This is Serbia too. These jobs are updated every minute. So right now, if you can't find your country, later on they are going to update it and you can find your country so that you can apply to work on this website. So when you click on show more, you can find other jobs that you can apply. That is not all. There are a lot of job opportunities that you can equally apply in this category and you are going to be employed. As you can see this one right here, you can see translation. This is from English into various languages. So you are going to translate English to the languages that they are going to request you to do. When you come here, you can see anywhere. So wherever you are in the world, you can apply for this job. You can see human translation English source. So it means the document is going to be an English document and you are going to translate to the language that they are going to request you to do. And I will show you how to do translation jobs. When you come here, you can see everywhere. As I scroll, you can see another one here. Translation is everywhere, so you can apply wherever you are in the world. You can see this one, various locations. You can apply wherever you are in the world. You can see this one anywhere. You can see this one anywhere, but the language is Portuguese. That is Brazil Portuguese, as you can see it here. As I scroll, you can see this one right here, machine translating, post editing. You can see English to, what is this? I don't know the full meaning of that, but you can see you can do it anywhere. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different translation jobs that you can apply. So just click on freelance so that you can read more details about the job. As you can see, this is the description of the job. So we are going to read more about it. You can see the translation is from English to Japanese, as you can see it right here. So you must be a native speaker of Japanese or English so that you can do this work, but it doesn't matter. You can use a free tool that I'm about to show you so that you can use that tool to do the work without doing it yourself. So as you can see, these are all the details that you are going to read about the job. If you like it, you just click on apply so that you can apply for the job. As you can see, you are going to be working 4 to 8 hours a week. So this is flexible and you are going to do it at your own convenient time. As you can see here, you can settle the time so that you can work at the time that you are free. So that is not all. There are a lot of different job opportunities that you can apply on this website. So each of the categories, when you click on it, there are a lot of jobs that you can apply. So let's go back to transcription and you are going to find a lot of jobs. How you come to transcription, you can equally get jobs here to apply. So let me just click on that for you to see. So as you can see, job, you can do it anywhere you are in the world. So these are the languages that you are required to transcribe the audio or the videos. You can see this one here, transcription. In a few minutes, they are going to update this job offers and you are going to apply for them, or you can just come here, search for a job that you are interested in. Once you search for that, you can find a job on this particular website to do. So what you need to do is that you have to just click here to sign up for your free accounts. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your first name, last name, username, email address, your password, and you are going to confirm your password. Come here, enter your country of residence, city of residence, native languages. So you can see right here, how did you hear about us? So you tell them how you got to know about them. You can see right here, you are also going to agree to their terms of use. You click here so that you can just click here, agree to non-disclosure agreements. You click here, agree to privacy policy. Once you've done that, click on I am not a robot, and then click here, yes, I want to join the one formal community. So once you click on that, you are going to get your free accounts. You are not required to pay anything to join this website. You are going to join for free. Once you join for free, anytime you complete a job offer, you are going to be paid, and the payment is monthly, so you are going to be receiving your payment monthly. One good thing I like about this website is that they have job opportunities that are in 250 languages, as you can see it right here. So just sign up and provide details about yourself. You are going to get job offers, as you can see, 250 languages. So whatever language that you speak, there's a possibility that you are going to get a job here that you are interested in. So if you don't speak English, whatever language that you speak, you can get a job offer here to do. You can see it is available in 200 countries. So you can apply for any job that you want, but I'm going to show you two categories that you can use a free tool to do the jobs for you. When you come here, translations, you can use Google Translate to do all the work for you without you paying for anything. Transcription, you can equally use a tool. So I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate to translate the work for you, and you are going to just present it to your employer on this platform, and you are going to be paid once you complete the work. So for example, when you come to Google Translate, you can just translate any language. So here I'm going to type an English sentence, but when you come here, it is going to be translated to Spanish. So for example, just see how are you. You can see it right here. This is the translation, and that is it. So maybe you have a full document, you can paste up to 5,000 words on this particular tool, and it's going to translate them. So once you translate it, just click here, copy, and you can copy your translation so that you can paste it on a Word document and then send it to the employer. You can see there are a lot of languages that you can translate. You can see a whole lot of different languages that you can translate to and then send to the employer. When you come here to the document, it can be in any language. Google Translate will still translate it for you. You can see a whole lot of them, many languages. So the next thing is the transcription. Anytime you get a transcription job, you can upload your audio or video onto this particular website. You can see it here. The name is Otter.ai. I've shown you this tool before, so I don't want to go through everything, but you can see this is an audio that I've uploaded, and I was able to transcribe it. You can use it for free, but you need to upgrade because the free version you only have 600 minutes. You can upload any audio file or video file onto this particular website. One good thing I like about this website is that they have a speaker here that you can click through. Once you click to this particular highlighter, is going to be highlighting the word. So once you find out that a word is not well spelled, you can just correct the spelling. So that is one good aspect of it. So let me just click for you to see. On this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can use to make up to $100 per day. You can see it is highlighting the word, so you are going to be checking if any word is not correct. You can do the correction and then you continue. Once you finish correcting, you can just come here, click on this three dotted line. Once you click on that, you are going to export your transcript. So you can export it in the text. You can just copy it onto your clipboard so that you can paste it on a Word document. So that is how easy that you can use this website to make money with oneformer.com. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for your free accounts on oneformer.com. Once you sign up for your free accounts, just provide details about yourself so that you can get jobs to do. If you get translation jobs or transcription jobs, you can just use the free tool that I've shown you, and you are going to be making money without paying for anything. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.